All right, so here's a look at this handheld spa vacuum. So you could utilize this for things like a jacuzzi, a smaller hot tub like the one that we've got here, or even if you've got a small outdoor pool, like an above ground pool, this would definitely work for that. Now you can see here, the height of it is about up to my chin, but it also comes with one more attachment piece that would probably bring it up to about here. So like I said, if you're doing something that's gonna be more of like a above ground pool or even a small in-ground pool, this would definitely work for that scenario. So this is the main head attachment that it's going to come with. It also has another brush attachment, but honestly I feel like this one kind of works the best. It's got wheels down here at the bottom, some brushes, and of course the suctioning part. Now on the inside it's going to have this filter which you could take out and replace. All you got to do is untwist this and you could pop the filter right out of there. So let's go ahead, no more talking, let's get this in the jacuzzi and I'll show you how it works. All right, so you're going to want to make sure that you actually get this down here in the water a little bit. You'll see it starting to bubble up and you'll kind of hear it bubbling up as well. So once you've got it down into there, you could go ahead, push it on the ground, and then we're going to turn it on. So right now you can see it's pretty dirty, and let's go ahead and give it a clean and I'll show you how well it works. Another thing is you're going to want to kind of move this nice and slow across. The more you move it quickly, it's going to kick up that dirt that's on the bottom of the jacuzzi. So we want to move it nice and slow across, and then once we get to the end, we're going to come back and we're going to overlap it just like we would if we were mowing a lawn. So you can kind of see everything getting moved around in there, but it's going to slowly get suctioned up with the vacuum. So let's push it all the way to the edge, and now let's go ahead and pull it back this way. You can see it's doing a really good job of cleaning things up. Now we might need to do 2 passes because it is winter right now and this has been sitting here pretty much all winter. So I want to get a nice good clean out of this first with this, and then I'm going to dump everything out, do a thorough clean. So this is great if you're going to be doing more of a detail clean or if you're going to be doing a spot clean. You can see it's picking everything up. I've got a little bit of algae in here, so it's getting kicked up. What I like to do is I'll go over it 1 or 2 times, and then I'll kind of turn this off. I'll come back to it, and then I'll go over it one more time once everything kind of settles back down and I'm able to get a nice clean out of it. So let's pull this out. You can see that the color actually changed in this. It was white just a minute ago, and if I grab it and let's go ahead and unattach it, we can pull this filter out and you can see all the algae inside of it that we collected. So you can easily just go rinse this out with the hose and then pop this piece right back on, attach the top part back on, and then you're ready to use it again. So the way that this is going to be charged is there's a cable connection over here in the back. You can see it's got this waterproof this waterproof rubber piece that's going to go over the top of it. That way the water actually doesn't get inside. So you're going to want to make sure that you keep that pushed in all the way. This is a great little handheld vacuum that works for small pools, jacuzzis, spas, whatever it may be. So if you're looking for a good handheld vacuum, something that's lightweight and works really well, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.